Alright guys, we're headed to a dog cafe today. I'm very late. I'm like half an hour late, so I was supposed to be there at 6 o'clock. It's like nearly 6:30, but it's literally right here somewhere, so let me just double check, because I basically ended up going to the wrong address, but it was wrong in my email, so it's not my fault. I think it's up these stairs, if I'm correct. But yeah, I'm absolutely sweating because I was very chilled. Like when I got on the train, I was just like, it says estimated time of arrival 6 o'clock, which is exactly when I need to be there. So it's like, even if I'm like a minute or 5 minutes late, that's fine. Got there, realized it's the wrong place. It's just got like a similar name. Oh, it's definitely not this either, actually. Oh, Shiza. Oh, fuck. It's not very clear because it says it's got like 2 different addresses on it. This is an art gallery. Maybe there's like another entrance for it. Let me have a look. Oh, it says it's like on top of the 7-Eleven, which doesn't make any sense. Maybe it's downstairs. Yeah, I think, yes, we found it. The sign of dogs. We'll see if they still let us in despite being this late, so let me get my email up. Sumimasen. Sorry, I English. I have an online booking. 6 p.m.
Oh, okay.
But late. Yes.
Shoes.
Yeah. Oh, this way? Okay. Of course. Okay. Yeah. Don't think close. Arigatou gozaimasu. No flash. Sean. Okay. This one, Sean. How do I tell? Does he have okay. Okay. Thank you. Sleeping. This is our new friend, Sean. He's currently having a nap though. So I don't think he'll be very interested in the treats. But it said on the instructions that you can only give it to Sean. I thought you're not allowed to hold. This one, Sean. I have the Sean. But very sleepy. Yeah. Sean, you sleepy. I got treats though. You don't want the treats? You're all full today. Sean. Don't want it. I think Sean's too tired. He's like me, man. He hasn't slept in ages. He's just absolutely dying. I completely understand. Sleeping. Soon we're gonna have his treat. I wonder what I'm supposed to. I kind of want to use the treats. I can't force him if he's not hungry. So. I wonder how long he has like people coming here to like visit. Like must be from like morning till late. So I know my brother was gonna get like a Samoyed dog. Like he literally went and visited like the puppy. I think he just decided it'd be too much for too much work as well. So in the end, didn't end up getting them. But they do look magnificent. To be fair, I like this size dog. It's not like massive, but it's like it's a good size. It's definitely bigger than medium. It's just not like a German Shepherd size. I kind of don't want to disturb him anymore because he's just sleeping. There's only one active fella at the moment, like this fella, but I'm not allowed to feed him. So there's another active fella there as well. He looks quite. He also looks occupied though. What's the name? Name? Yeah. Puni. Ah, okay. Puni. He looks so energetic compared to the others. It's crazy. Just jumped up there. They're all getting treats. Stung up. I've got soup for you. No, Sean. Sean, come on. Sean. Come on, buddy. You don't want it. You don't want it. We paid a lot for this. I didn't actually. But, yeah. I feel bad. Maybe if I just leave it. No? Sean's got like my brother's attitude. Just wants to sleep. These ones are active. They're putting Sean to shame. You want to sit on this bench, maybe? Come on, Sean. We got all the names here as well. So Pearl, Eve, Kono, Tencho, Belle. Very creative names. Sugar, Snow, Sean, Choc and Mofu, Hotepi. That's the one we saw a second ago. He's a good boy. There's a bit more active. It's literally just Sean. I've been done dirty with Sean. Sean, like, look, Sean's getting something. I swear, if Sean wakes up now. These two are active. These two have had the dog equivalent of Red Bull. I love this energy. He's getting so active. I kind of want a Samoyed as well now. But I have to get like a golden retriever first. Or like a King Charles.
こうして遊んでいるのですが、我こそばという方いらっしゃいましたら、ぜひシュワ君と一緒に引っ張り合いっこしてみてください。シュワ君、引っ張り合いっこがとっても大好きです。
They're all preoccupied. You can't force the dog love, you have to wait for the dogs. Unfortunately, I've only got treats for the one dog. So, unless there's a way to like pay for the extra, like
そしてポニー君もですね、ボールを持って奪ってみると言わんおかに遊んでいますね。ポニー君はですね、ボールを奪わない。
he smells active. We'll see. I'm not sure. I don't know if I'd presume that all be the same. They both missed their target. he's got it back there. This is so therapeutic. Look at him. He's active. Very strong. Yeah, I always underestimate like how like strong a dog's pull is. Always actually trying to win, but the bite strength is strong. One's active. I wonder if everyone's trying to feed. Sean! Sean's just got up from a nap. Oh, he's getting active. Kind of. Very slowly. Come on, Sean. Oh. Someone's struck Sean the ball and no one's playing with him. Go play with Sean. Is this one Sean?
Yeah.
Ah, he's woken up. He doesn't want his treat though.
No, he wants treats.
He wants it?
Yeah, he wants it.
I keep trying to give it and he's like...
Okay, so when you treat him, so put them, so all of them.
All of them?
Yeah, all of them.
Oh, let me open this one.
Sean, and so let him smell it.
I did.
Yeah,
I didn't
you
have.
did?
Maybe because he was sleeping, he was just like,
Okay.
yeah, I don't want it. It's possible.
No.
Let's see.
Alright, so let's try again.
Let's try. Yeah, let's try. Come on, Sean. I'll let.
はい、ありがとうございます。Alright, so let's try. Yeah, sure.
Come on, Sean. You want the treats, right?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Now you're doing it.
And actually, so Sean is the most fluffy one here.
Most fluffy.
Yeah, most fluffy,
I feel that. He's definitely quite fluffy.
Yeah, fluffy, right?
You should change his name like to Fluffy.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, so what do you normally say in Japanese once you like feed them? Is there something you say?
So treats. So
Yeah.
treats means in Japanese oyatsu.
Oyatsu.
Yeah, oyatsu.
Ah, okay. I shouldn't say that so loud. I'm like,
Yeah. And so when you give
Yeah.
them, so
Yeah.
we say so dozo.
Dozo.
Yeah, so it means there you go.
Ah,
here we
okay.
go,
Yeah. And then like good boy, good girl, like.
Yeah, so that's we say iko, yoshi.
Iko.
So iko, yeah, so that means good boy.
Okay. And is it mixed genders?
So we have eight males and 2 females.
Ah, okay. I'm assuming Belle is a female.
So Belle and Eve.
And Eve. Okay. Go on, Sean. Sean's napped, active, napped.
Yeah.
Very sleepy. Like me. We got the treats to Sean though, I'm happy. I've done my job as a dog dad. Should have worn my dog dad shirt, that would have been perfect. But I didn't think. I actually do have it in my luggage as well. Oh. He's trying to leave. Just gonna get a drink. I'm as thirsty as the dogs right now. I can't lie. How to open? Yep. Pull up. Okay. That makes sense. Let me just show you the options. We got all these. I went for this one. And then also on this side, you can get Coke, Q, just the same orange juice, different coffees, matcha. Yeah, all for free, so it's included within the ticket price as well.
Okay.
Reminds me of like Nesquik. Nesquik strawberry, but with like probably more watered down a little bit. I don't know what this is for, but we'll find out. Oh, they got keychains as well on this side, so I wonder which one Sean is. He's supposed to be the fluffiest, so if I'm to say who looks the fluffiest, probably this fella here, or this one. There's Sean again. Sean looks like an advert. He looks way more active there. Still not sure about the purpose of this poll, to be honest. I'm just gonna watch what someone else does with it and then follow their lead. Because, yeah, I have no idea. It could be just play with and like play fetch, but they've already got like toys and stuff for that. So it won't make too much sense just to be that. I shall soon find out. Oh, look at that. They want to play together. That's cute. Oh no, they're getting naughty. Yeah, so I don't know if it picked it up on the microphone earlier, but the guy mentioned it's so there's 8 boys and then 2 girls. So there's a Belle and Eve, which is female, and then the rest of the names I showed you are all boys. Which is interesting because there's one called like Pearl. So unless he's got the number count wrong there. This has to be Sean. He's sleeping. It has to be. He's the only one sleeping. There's no way it's not him. It's really cool. I don't know why we can't do this in the UK. They just have one breed of dog. Make sure that they don't fight with each other. Make sure it's like, well gated off in like certain areas. Like, I don't see where there could be an issue for it. Especially with like smaller dogs like dachshunds or even like King Charles, which is like more medium-sized dog. You know, I don't. Like we have cat cafes, but we don't seemingly have any dog ones. Actually, the closest thing to like a dog cafe in the UK is the pop-up cafes, which essentially they will do exactly what I said, but it's only for like one day and then they travel across like different cities. So there's that. It's called like Pop-Up Cafe. I've been to 2 of those. One was like, I mean, both of them were dash hound events, but people end up bringing like other breeds of dogs as well, which is really cool. These ones are getting active. They're crazy. Oh my god. They'll fight.
こちら読み取っていただくと次回の来年日本で抱っこ撮影が無料でできちゃいます。今回の抱っこ撮影遠慮してしまった方やもう一回ワンちゃんで抱っこしてみたいという方ですね。トニーどうだよ。
Too much fighting.
だんだんとですね散歩の時間が近づいてきてワンちゃんたちエネルギーがありますね。
It might be fluffier than Sean. Unless that is Sean. He wants to leave though. Why is it? It's no one's gonna open it. So. I think we have to leave now. I only got half an hour in here, which is fine. It's fine. I think I peaked my enjoyment. I think I'd give this ball back. I'm not sure. So good. These 3 are chilling. These are getting active. They're trying to leave. What? They're all following him like the leader. He must be the pack leader, surrounding him like a king. I'm your king master. What about this one?
It is a gift ball. That means 100 yen discount. Then you want to get some goods like the checking, the photos or key holders.
Oh, I don't understand fully.
Okay.
Sorry. Yeah.
Put of your balls.
Yeah.
Can you see the red box? That.
The red box. Yes.
Yes, please.
Put it in there.
Yeah.
Okay. No problem. Thank you. Got those inside. That's pretty cool. I mean, I still managed to somehow get like nearly 40 minutes. It's a 32-minute recording, so considering I arrived like over half an hour late, I'm pretty happy with that. But now, I'm absolutely starving. So I'll end this part of the video here now. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like. If you want to visit, I'll put the details to the location and how to get tickets in the description. But yeah, thanks for watching again, guys. Subscribe, comment, like, all the good stuff. Peace.